Hi, welcome back again to Inside Home YouTube channel. Today we are stepping inside a vibrant townhouse where bold creativity meets serene comfort, blending rich colors, striking patterns, and whimsical details for a playful yet calming retreat. Let's take a look. The Islington Townhouse by Studio Duggan is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can transform a space into a haven. By combining bold colors, intricate patterns, and playful details, the studio has created a home that is both a respite from the outside world and a celebration of creativity. It's a space that tells a story, one of warmth, joy, and individuality. Nestled in the vibrant borough of Islington, this townhouse is a testament to Studio Duggan's mastery of interior design. Designed for a young family, the home is a playful yet sophisticated retreat that balances bold creativity with a sense of calm. The townhouse is filled with vivid colors, intricate patterns, and whimsical design elements, creating a space that feels both invigorating and restful. The family wanted a home that would serve as an escape from the bustling city outside, and Studio Duggan delivered just that. The interiors are a riot of playful details, yet they maintain a sense of cohesion and elegance. The design choices reflect a deep understanding of how to blend functionality with artistry, making the home not only beautiful but also practical for family life. While undeniably artistic, the design is also highly functional, with a thoughtful layout and furnishings that cater to a young family's needs, ensuring both beauty and practicality.